Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 9. Okay, it's exercise 9a. That is on page number 212 of your book. Let's start. Question number 1. Simplify each of the following ratios. Okay, following ratios. So what we have to do? We have to simplify the ratios. Part A is 1.5 kg ratio 350 grams. So first of all we have to change either kilograms into gram or grams into kilograms so that they both come into the same unit. As we know that the ratio is always we have to calculate between the similar quantities or that the quantities carrying the same units. So we are going to convert 1.5 kg into grams. Okay, look, 1 kg is equal to what? 1000 grams. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 1.5 kilogram is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 1000 and it will become 1500 grams. So now both are in the same unit, 100 and 1500 grams ratio 350 grams. Now we have to divide both the numbers by a common divisor. So it will be, first we will divide by 10. When we will divide by 10, it will become what? It will become 150 grams and 35 grams. Now both are divisible again. Divisible by 10, divisible by 5 now. So when we will divide with 5, 5 3s are 15, 0 and then 5 7s are 35. So this is the simplest form for the ratio 1.5 kilogram ratio 350 grams. Okay, now come to part B. Okay, part B is 15 upon 24 ratio 9 upon 7. So these are in fraction. So first of all we have to check the least common multiple. This 24 and 7. So we have to check in which table both will come together. No. So we will 24 1 and 7 and then 7 1 1. So we can simply, when multiply 7 with 24, so we will get what? We will get 6 7 4s are 28, 8 2 carries 14, 15, 16, 168. So we will, if you want to do like this, okay, if you don't find any common multiple, least common multiple, we have to find out like this or multiply both the terms together. So in the next step, what we have to do, we will multiply both the fraction with this number. So it will become what? 15 24 multiplied by 168 and then 9 upon 7 multiplied by 168. So this one cut this one and the number is 24 ones are 24 and 7 times and 7 ones are and 24. So it will become 7 multiplied by 15 ratio 9 multiplied by 24. So when we multiply 7 with 15, it will become what? 15 multiplied by 7, 35, 3, 105. So it will become 105 ratio what? 24 multiplied by 9, 9 4s are 36, 3, 9 2s are 18 and 21, 216. Both are divisible by which number? 3. So we will divide both the terms with 3. So it will become what? 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are and 3 2s are. Now both numbers are not divisible by any common number. So this is our simplest form for 15 upon 24 ratio 9 upon 7. Okay, now move on to part C. So part C is 0.45 ratio 0.85. First of all we shift them into fraction. It will become 45 upon 100 and then 85 upon 100. So both have common hundreds, where we multiply both sides with 100. So this one cut this one, this one, this one. What left is 45 ratio 85. Now both are divisible by 5. So we will divide. It will become 9 and then what? 5 ones are 5 and then 5 sevens are 35. Now 9 and 17 won't come in any table together. So 9 ratio 17 is the simplest form for 0.45 ratio 0.85. Now move on to next part D. Okay, part D is 580 ml ratio 1.12 liters and 104 milliliters. So what we have to do, we have to shift all the terms into common unit. So both are carrying milliliter. This one only carry liters. So what we have to do, we have to shift this liter into milliliter. As we know, 1 liter is equal to what? 1000 milliliter. So 1.12 liter is equal to what? 1.12 multiplied by 1000. So it will become 1120. So now it will become 580 milliliter ratio 1120 milliliter and then 104 milliliter. Okay. So now we have to find out the common divisor. So first of all, we will divide all the terms by 2. So it first of all, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18 and then 0. Okay, then ratio 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 0. And then 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Okay, again they are divisible by 2. So again we will divide by 2, divisible by 2 and here also divisible by 2. So what? 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Now this one, these two are divisible by 2, but this one is not. And this one, these two are divisible by 5, but this one is not. So all of 3 is not divisible by any common number. So this is the simplest form for the given ratio. Okay, we can write the units milliliter, milliliter and milliliter as well. Now move on to part E. Okay, in part E is 2 upon 3 ratio, 3 upon 2 ratio and 5 upon 8. Now again we have to find out any common multiple, or we will go for the least common factor by multiplying all these terms with each other. So it will become 48. So what we will do, we will divide, we will multiply all these fractions with 48. Multiply with 48, multiply with 48 and then multiply with 48. So it will become what? It will become 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and then 8 6s are 48. So what left? 16 multiplied by 2 ratio 3 multiplied by 24 ratio 5 multiplied by 6. So what left? 16 2s are 32. Then 24 multiplied by 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 7 and then 5 6 are 30. All the terms are divisible by 2. So we will divide all the terms by 2. So it will become 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12 and 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So now 16, 36 and 15. Again 2 terms are divisible by 2 and only one is divisible by 5. So we can't go further. This is the simplest form for the given ratio. Now move on to the last part of this question, that is question F. Okay, part F is 0.33 ratio 0.63 ratio 1.8. Now student, again we are going to convert them into fraction first. So it will become what? 33 upon 100, 63 upon 100 and then 18 upon 10. Okay, now again we will go for the multiple, that will be 100. So 100 we will divide each term with 100. Okay, so this 100 cut this 100, this one, and this 0, this one. So what left is 33, 63, and then 180. All are divisible by 3. So 11, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 0. So 11, 21, 60 won't come in any table together. So this is the simplest form for the given ratios. So this is the last question, last part of your question number 1. Now move on to question number 2 in the next video. Okay.